coast to coast instrumental.
Rorschach. Hey. Like Fab say, you gotta watch niggas BET. You know the cops on it, they call it finding sobriety. But I'm like, I don't know y'all, I don't fuck with y'all. I'm a real dog, trill dog, who be snatching up berry bitten. Before my year's over, I'm making 100 cents. I keeps my rules bent, and shawty before my team. The money somewhere we go, we making that long green. My rims, they ride clean, but you already knew that. They say best will never fall, standing tall. I'm screaming true that. It's the money maker, I'm the man on the streets. I'm just a shicey motherfucker, you can read them and weep. And when I'm taking all your money, you can try to attack, but I brought all my niggas with me, and you know that we strapped. See, I don't know you either, partner, you can sit right back. These are my rules, and let me know who has a problem with that. I surprise these local people, cause I guess I can rap. They running to me asking questions like, could you sign that? I don't know what's going on, but see, I call them my friends. They rolling medical marijuana in the back of my Benz. Start to swerve a little bit, and you can tell that I'm pop. Now I'm a guilty motherfucker, cause I'm stopping the cops. I'm saying,
I don't know y'all, I don't fuck with y'all. Got that skill, dog. I don't know y'all, I don't fuck with y'all. Let's making meals, dog. I don't know y'all, I don't fuck with y'all. Got that skill, dog. I don't know y'all, I don't fuck with y'all. Making meals, dog.
I'ma have some fun with this beat, and I don't know y'all, don't act like you motherfuckers know me. I'm electric when I flow, got a current and shit, got a magnetic field bringing the bitches to me. So stop it talking, get up out my face with that shit. Yeah, I can rap, but I'll throw hands and catch your face with some hits. And I get paid but ain't rich, and I'm about to change that last bit and switch my Dodge out for a range, pick up them girls and run trips. So let me learn you, let me teach you something real quick. Pay attention, I know you struggle with attention deficit. After adding it up, the numbers prove that we true. Figures showing the surplus of talent in women and booze.
And you coming up to my crib, trying to fucking party like you the shit. But I don't even know y'all, I don't fuck with y'all. So you better get out of here before I get out my nunchucks and fucking Chuck Norris your ass. Cause I ain't fucking around, but I Bruce Lee on your ass, yeah. I'm kinda the combination of both. Call me Chuck Lee, nigga, and I'll throw you out the boat, yeah. Not just kidding, call me Lil Dopey. Yeah, there's a story behind my name, but I don't wanna go there, G. Let's just talk about my parties, okay, let's go, yeah. I see a fat bitch walking down my stairs, kinda thumping that shit up like an earthquake, and we like, what the fuck is that? Then this bitch comes up to me and be like, what up, Dopey? And I be like, I don't know, y'all,